My name is Hunter Ribble with Columbia Southern University. So today I'm doing a presentation on fire extinguishers. So there's 5 types of fire extinguishers. We have a water extinguisher, which is used to put out Class A fires. Class A fires are ordinary combustibles, wood and paper. We have a foam extinguisher, which is used to put out Class A and B fires, which B fires are flammable liquids. We have an ABC powder extinguisher, which is used to put out A, B, C fires, and a C fire is electrical. We have CO2 extinguishers, which are used to put out B fires and D fires, which is combustible metals. And then finally, we have our wet chemical agent, which is a Class K fire, and we know that is cooking oils and fats. So that's our 5 types of fire extinguishers. So we have a fire extinguisher back here on the wall. We have one here on the wall for demonstration purposes, but properly installed fire extinguishers, the handle should be no further than 3.5 to 5 feet from the floor. So from 3.5 to 5 feet of the floor, it should be should have accessibility. So if I take this off the wall, that's a properly installed fire extinguisher. So if we take this off the wall, we have the components of the fire extinguisher. So here we have the discharge nozzle. Here we have the discharge lever. So here we have the handle, we have the pressure gauge, and then we have the cylindrical tank. So on the fire extinguishers, on your Class A and your ABC fire extinguisher, you will have a rating system. So this rating here is a 30A, 40BC. So 3A, 40BC, so a 3A. So what that means for every numerical value, it's 1.25 gallons, is comparable to 1.25 gallons to put out a Class A fire. So with being a value of 3, that means it should do the same amount as a Class A extinguisher or water extinguisher up to 3.75 gallons. So the 40BC, what that means is it should be able to put out a 40-foot pan fire. So that's the rating for the fire extinguishers. So operational of a fire extinguisher. So the safe operational of a fire extinguisher, now this has a safety tag on it, so it's been inspected with a safety tag, so we're not going to take that off. But for demonstrational purposes, let's say this trash can is on fire. All right. So we learned the PASS acronym, which is pull the pin, P, A is aim, squeeze the discharge handle, and sweep the fire. So if this trash can was actually on fire, we would pull, we would aim, we would squeeze, we would discharge the powder. And then when the fire seems to be out, we would back out from the fire. We would not turn our back onto the fire in case it was to flare back up. So I'm going to put this back on its proper installation. And going to this, just for added value, this is a Class K extinguisher or a wet chemical extinguisher. So this is installed in the kitchen of our fire station, away from the stove, but easily accessible within the same range, 3.5 feet to 5 feet, the handle. All right, thank you.